Welcome to Nirvana Travel, your gateway to breathtaking destinations around the globe. Today, we journey to one of Europe's most captivating capitals, Budapest, Hungary. A city where East meets West, and centuries of history echo through grand boulevards, thermal waters, and fairy tale fortresses. Straddling both banks of the Danube River, Budapest is a city of duality, Buda, with its hills and castles, and Pest, vibrant, expansive, and always in motion. Long known as the Pearl of the Danube, and sometimes even called the Paris of the East, this city blends the architectural grandeur of Vienna with the soul of the Balkans. In this travel documentary, we'll navigate the river that shaped the city, admire iconic landmarks, dive into the thermal bath culture, and explore green retreats and historic ruins. Along the way, you'll gather essential travel tips and insights for your own journey to this Hungarian gem. The Danube River is not just a picturesque backdrop, it's the artery that gave Budapest life. Flowing over 2,800 kilometers through Central and Eastern Europe, it bisects Hungary's capital, dividing Buda and Pest, yet binding them in purpose. Historically, it served as both a trade route and a defensive barrier. Today, it's a place of recreation, commerce, and beauty. Whether viewed from a riverside promenade or aboard a ferry, the Danube offers endless perspectives on the city. Spanning the river is the Széchenyi Chain Bridge, the first permanent crossing to connect Buda and Pest. Completed in 1849, its iron structure and stone lions symbolize unity, progress, and resilience. The bridge is more than a landmark, it was a statement of national pride after centuries of fragmentation. Further south, the Liberty Bridge, built for the Millennium Exhibition in 1896, is smaller but no less charming. Painted a vivid green, it leads visitors straight to the Great Market Hall, blending practicality with architectural flair. Dominating the Pest skyline is the Hungarian Parliament building, one of the largest in the world. Its neo-Gothic facade bristles with spires and statues, while its symmetrical grandeur reflects the aspirations of a modern Hungarian state. Facing the Danube, it seems to anchor the city's past and future in stone. Not far away stands St. Stephen's Basilica. Named after Hungary's first king, its neoclassical facade and soaring dome invite reverence. Inside, golden mosaics and stained glass draw the eye heavenward. This basilica isn't just a place of worship, it's a cornerstone of national identity. Venturing inland, we arrive at Heroes Square, a vast plaza framed by colonnades and dominated by the Millennium Monument. Statues of Hungary's founders and leaders stand sentinel, commemorating the nation's thousand-year journey. Connecting this square to the heart of the city is Andrassy Avenue. This UNESCO World Heritage Boulevard is lined with elegant townhouses, high-end boutiques, and cultural institutions. One such institution is the Museum of Fine Arts, just adjacent to Heroes Square. Its imposing classical design holds centuries of European artistry, though even from the outside, its stature impresses. Further down Andrassy Avenue stands the Hungarian State Opera House. A neo-Renaissance jewel, it remains a hub for world-class performances and architectural admiration alike. Budapest's cultural diversity is also on full display at the Dohány Street Synagogue, the largest in Europe. With its twin domes and Moorish Revival design, it reflects the legacy and resilience of Hungary's Jewish community. For something lighter, Elizabeth Square, or Erzsébet tér, buzzes with life. Locals gather here to unwind, skateboard, sip coffee, or simply soak in the city vibe. Just nearby, Angkor Palace draws the eye with its eclectic Art Nouveau detailing, a building that feels more sculpted than constructed. To experience Pest's daily rhythm, step into the Central Market Hall. This architectural gem, its colorful Jolnay tiles gleaming in the sun, hosts vendors selling everything from fresh vegetables to traditional souvenirs. Even a brief visit hints at the flavors and textures of Hungarian life. Crossing to the western bank, we arrive in Buda. Quieter, more residential, and marked by its hilly terrain, this side of the city exudes historic charm. At its center sits Buda Castle, also known as the Royal Palace. Once home to kings and queens, the palace has seen wars, occupations, and rebirths. Its imposing silhouette atop Castle Hill anchors Budapest's skyline with regal authority. Not far away, the Fisherman's Bastion is a blend of fantasy and function. Built in the late 19th century, its turrets and lookout points evoke medieval times, even if purely decorative. The views from here, stretching across the Danube to Parliament and beyond, are among the most iconic in the city. Next door, Matthias Church dazzles with its diamond-patterned roof tiles and intricate Gothic spires. Coronation site of Hungarian kings, its legacy is as colorful as its architecture. To the south, Gellert Hill rises steeply above the Danube. From here, the Citadella fortress watches over the city. Built in the mid-1800s, its strategic location was chosen for military defense, but today, it offers visitors a chance to take in Budapest in its full grandeur. Inside Gellert Hill lies something even more unusual, the Pauline Cave Church. Carved into the rock itself, it provides a quiet sanctuary with a view both spiritual and literal. Buda's story is also told through its ruins. The Church of Mary Magdalene, left partially destroyed after World War II, stands as a solemn reminder of the city's complex past and enduring spirit. Beneath Budapest flows a gift from the earth, thermal water. With over 100 natural springs, the city has long been known as the City of Baths. The Széchenyi Thermal Bath, housed in a palatial yellow structure in City Park, is among Europe's largest. Steam curls above chess playing locals, as hot water meets cold air in a timeless ritual of relaxation. For something more ornate, the Gellert Bath offers an Art Nouveau experience. Elegant mosaics, quiet indoor pools, and serene ambiance make it a peaceful alternative to the bustle of Széchenyi. For green respite, Margaret Island awaits in the middle of the Danube. A car-free zone of parks, gardens, and thermal pools like Palatinus Strand Baths, it offers the perfect blend of leisure and wellness. Further afield, Panon Park represents Budapest's modern commitment to green space and conservation, a newer addition to the city's layered identity. Even remnants of Roman times endure here. The ruins of an ancient amphitheater remind us that Budapest's roots extend far deeper than its Baroque facades suggest. Budapest welcomes visitors year-round, but the best times to go are spring, April to early June, and early autumn, September to October, when the weather is mild, typically between 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, or 59 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Winter, though colder, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, or 32 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, offers festive lights and thermal baths shrouded in steam. Getting around is easy with an efficient system of metros, trams, and buses. The M1 metro line is one of the oldest in the world. Still, many of Budapest's wonders are best discovered on foot. The currency is the Hungarian forint. While it's affordable by European standards, budgeting wisely can stretch your experience further, especially when it comes to accommodation, food, and local activities. For accommodation, Districts 5, 6, and 7 offer central locations ideal for sightseeing. A stay of 3 to 5 days is perfect for experiencing both Buda and Pest at a relaxed pace. Hungarian is the official language, but English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. Just a few local words, like Köszönöm for thank you, go a long way. Budapest is generally safe. In case of emergency, dial 112 for general assistance, 104 for ambulance, 105 for fire, and 107 for police. Don't miss the local markets, especially the Central Market Hall, for a taste of daily life. And above all, take the time to wander. Each neighborhood offers something unique, from grand architecture to hidden courtyards and cafes. Budapest is a city of contrasts and harmony. From imperial grandeur to Ottoman baths, Roman ruins to modern parks, it's a place where every street carries the weight of history and the promise of discovery. Whether you're seeking culture, wellness, or adventure, Budapest will leave you with stories worth retelling. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Budapest. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel documentaries from around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring, and happy travels.